Alright, welcome once again to my channel. Let's look at what we have here. We have that y equal to tan x, and we're asked to find the y over the x. How are we going to do this? It's very simple. Now, this is the solution to this problem. Now, remember that what we have is y to be equal to what? Tan x. Now, this implies that what? Y is the same thing as what? Sine x over cos x, because sin x divided by cos x is equal to what? Tan x. So if we have two functions here, we are going to use the quotient rule to approach this problem. Now we can now say let u equal to sin x and v equal to what? Cos x. Now we differentiate these two separately. Now du over dx, which is this. So we differentiate sin x, we are going to have cos x. Now dv over dx is equal to what? Minus sin x. That implies that if you differentiate cos x, you're going to have negative sin x as your derivative. Now our dy over our dx, because that's what we are looking for. We have to find dy over dx. Now our dy dx is equal to what? V du dx minus u dv dx all over what? V squared. Now this is the formula for the quotient rule. Now this means that our dy over our dx is equal to, now what's our v? Our v is what? Cos x. Our v is what? Cos x. So cos x times, remember, is multiplying du, and our du dx is what? Cos x also. So cos x times cos x minus, what's our u? Our u is what? Sin x. So sin x times dv dx. Our dv dx is what? Negative sin x. Negative sin x. Now all over v square. What's our v? Our v is what? Cos x. So it will be cos squared x, because it's v squared. Now we'll proceed further. Our dy over our dx is equal to, now cos x times cos x will give us what? Cos square x, and then negative sin x multiplied by negative sin x. Remember, if a negative multiplies a negative, we're going to have a positive sign, and then sin x times sin x will give us what? Sin squared x. You get minus sin x times minus sin x give us a positive sin x squared, sin squared x, now divided by what? Cos square x. So we can now say, you can recall from basic trigonometric identity, recall that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. From basic trigonometric identity, we can recall this. Now this implies that our dy over our dx will be equal to what? Since sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, it implies that cos square x plus sin square x is the same thing as 1 all over what? Cos square x. Now we know that at this point we can say inverse, this is cos square x, so we can say our dy over our dx is equal to, now the inverse of cos is what? Sec. So if you're taking the inverse of cos square x, that means you're going to have what? Sec square x. But I'm going to break it down so you guys will understand better. So 1 over cos square x will be 1 over cos x times 1 over cos x. Now if you have 1 over cos x like this, our dy over our dx will be equal to 1 over cos x times 1 over cos x. Now 1 over cos x is what? Sec x, times 1 over cos x also will be what? Sec x. Now our dy over our dx will be equal to what? Sec x. Our dy over dx will be what? Sec x times sec x. Now if you have sec x times sec x, you're going to have what? Sec squared x, and that implies that our d over dx of tan x is equal to what? Sec square x. Or we can now say our dy over dx is equal to what? Sec. Our dy or our dx is equal to what? Sec square x. And that's the solution to this problem. Now, if you find this video interesting, do not hesitate. Make sure you like this video and share for more videos like this. Bye bye.